Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here I make beauty and lifestyle videos for now, and I hope you will enjoy watching me. I have just started out, and for today's video I'm gonna show you a beginner's makeup kit under 500 rupees. And before I give my recommendations, if by any chance any of you is just a starter, like rookie level, who doesn't know anything about foundation, skin tone, undertone and shit, like you don't have any experience, for example like I was 4 years back, so I have a video for you. I will link it up here, so do watch it. And even without base you can use flawless and chic and fab. Trust me on that. It is budget friendly, easy on pocket, because I know most of the people in colleges doesn't have much pocket money and they can't invest so much into foundations. And just if you get to know that you have bought a wrong foundation, what you will do, you will get disheartened. You will feel like I don't want to use any makeup anymore. And trust me, it took me 4 years of hit and trial to get my foundation. Trust me, like it took me so much money, so much patience, and now I know my foundation shade, my undertone. I am a neutral undertone, so like till that time I was stick to the products mentioned in the video. Do check it out. You just need, I think, minimum of 4 products, and they are also under 500. They are super cheap and you will look super chic. And yeah, I think I've given a long as intro, and let's get started. And yeah, one more thing, if you're wondering what is this makeup look, how I created this, so I will also link a video. Do check it out. I will start from the base, and for primer I recommend this Lotus Eco Stay Primer. You can also buy Nykaa, which is actually under 500, but you can always find it on sale. That's why I'm recommending this, and I have only this primer right now, but you can buy Nykaa, and I will link it in the description box. Don't worry, it is a good primer, and that is also a good primer. Actually both are same, to be honest. So now for foundation I have 2 recommendations, and that is this Lakme foundation and a Maybelline one. This is a cult favorite, and I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and here I am N200 Neutral Nude. So both are good, and I won't say much because I am thinking of doing a comparison video between the two, and they both are nice actually. For concealer I have 2 recommendations. One is Maybelline Fit Me, other one is LA Girl Pro Conceal. I am in the shade Pure Beige in LA Girl and 25 Medium in Maybelline Fit Me. Both are good. Both are everyday wear concealer, not so heavy under your eyes, and both are moisturizing. But always apply some sort of an under eye cream before you go for a concealer, okay? Because your under eye do get dry out. And for the powder I would recommend Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 20 Light Medium. Even you can buy only this, you can completely skip the foundation because they also give some sort of a coverage, and you are into super light coverage, then you can only work with this. Sometimes I also use this as a base. So yeah, it is quite a good powder. And let's start with the eyes. So for the eyes I have Kajal, mascara, brow product and eyeshadow palette. So for Kajal I have this, and I just love this. You don't need anything. I will not tell you anything, just buy it, okay? I will link it in the description box. And for the brows, actually I have a recommendation, but it is above the budget, and I will link some other in the description box. They are also good, so do check them out. But I have this L'Oreal Brow Artist. It is good, it's awesome. Now let's move on to mascara. And for mascara recommendation I have this Hypercurl mascara, and with addition you should buy this. Trust me, I am not wearing any mascara today, and this is just this, so do buy it. You will get it from Miniso. Before I show you the eyeshadow palette, this is the only thing that exceeds the budget, sorry, but trust me, when I got this I looked no further, and I literally take the hell out of the palette. trust me, when you will see the condition of the palette, you will know how much I love this. And I bought it 2 years back at 50% off on Flipkart, and this is the original palette. It's also available on Myntra, HOK, Nykaa, purple.com. Always buy this palette when you see it at some discount. Don't go for the full price because it is not worth 1500. And the eyeshadow palette is this. This is Makeup Revolution Chocolate Wise palette, and I broke my palette. And see the conditions, see the finger marks, the pan conditions. Just see it yourself and you will know I am not lying. I freaking love this palette. And if you're just a beginner, you just need brown tones, some shimmer, some pink, some orange, and some dark tones. And you can also fill your eyebrows with this. You don't need to buy a separate eyeshadow eyebrow pencil or something like that. That's why I'm recommending this, and you will not regret buying. So save some money and buy this. Now let's quickly move on to the lips. For the lips, I will recommend these these three. This is basically a pink nude. These two are brown nudes. And I have not recommended blush because you can use a lipstick as a blush. You don't need to buy separate blush as a beginner. Why to go heavy on a pocket? And also, I have not recommended any contour because I don't think so a beginner can do a contour well. Even I can't do a contour well right now. So I don't think so anyone can. That's why I'm not recommending that. And yeah, so this is Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lipstick in the shade number 12. So this is Maybelline Nude Nuance. You can also buy a pink nude which is Touch of Spice under the same range. They both retails for $2.99 and it retails for 100 or 120, something like that. This retails for I think above 500. It is a pink nude. I have it right now. That's why I'm showing you. And here's a swatch. Maybelline Nude Nuance. And this is what I'm wearing right now. But I will show you. This is slightly darker than this. I'm sorry for the ugly swatches. And yeah, that's the end. I hope you liked my video. And if you do, then do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share my video